All right, good day once again. Welcome to Human Digital Link. This is my channel where I always talk about how to grow your business, start your business, make money online, and feel reliable. You don't need to like wake up by 8 o'clock and close at 5 doing all the salary job. You can start your own business online while you are at home or as a passive income. All right, today, you before I start today's class, please remember to subscribe to this channel, like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so that when next I post a video like this, you'll be notified. All right, let's start today's tutorial. Today I will be sharing how to make money on Opay. This Opay app, this is my wallet that I'm using for business per se. I'm using for transaction, a lot of transaction, a lot of paying bills, and different a lot of things. So today I want to show us some tips, some discount that you can get on Opay. All right, I will quickly just run us through some discount that I've gotten so far on Opay. I think recently I paid for a bill. Let me go under my transaction details. I will show you the transaction I did recently for someone. I paid a TV subscription. This one 610. If you make research, you do research perfectly. You know that GoTV uh package or is 1640. So Opay charged me just 1610. That means I was given a discount on that particular transaction. So that means for paying bills, naturally, a lot of people, they usually do it on their bank accounts. Maybe you are using Zenith app GT, and the Zenith bank will even charge you extra fee. Likewise, if you take it to all this kiosk where they are doing all this POS, they will charge you 100 naira extra. So on Opay, you will be given discount of 15 naira or 14 naira thereabout. So like the one I did lastly for someone, this a discount on TV subscription I did for someone. Let me scroll up again so that I will show you a lot of discount that I've gotten from Opay. Um, Let me show you some other ones that I have here. I'm trying to okay, this is another cashback of 10 naira. This is another cashback on 10 naira on TV subscription I did for someone. Subscription of 800 naira, go to the 800 naira package that I did. So I was given discounts of 32 naira for this particular subscription. So that's that is 32. Let me see. You can see other amounts 800 naira, voucher 0, bonus amount is 32 naira. So I was charged just 767.2 naira for that particular transaction. Let me show you another cashback. This 100 naira cashback. So Opay is what you can use. A lot of people, they've been cheated while maybe you want to subscribe for your GoTV, you want to pay electricity bill. You don't have to visit POS shop or any all this kiosk. You can do it right on your phone and you will get discount to yourself. You can do it for other people and make money right on your phone while you are inside your bedroom. So that's what I want to show us this evening. So grab your phone, install Opay app. I will leave the link under this video so that you can install it on your phone. And likewise, if you want to transfer it free on Opay. Any transfer I want to make, I usually use Opay to transfer it. I will fund my wallet from my account and then to Opay, and then from Opay I can transfer to any other person. Let me keep showing you. This is another cashback of 400 naira on airtime. Sometimes a lot of companies, they do advertise recharge and get paid. They will sell airtime for you. They will tell you you get profit of 4 naira, 3 naira. Naturally, all those things are just scam. Naturally, on your phone, you can get a discount of 4 naira, 3 naira to yourself, recharging someone else or yourself on your. So you don't have to like buy recharge card of 100 naira, or even they will collect extra 10 naira. You will pay 110. Imagine on your phone, you can recharge yourself and get a discount of 4 naira to 3 naira to yourself. This is another cashback of 8 naira that I got on the airtime I loaded for someone for 200 naira. Let me keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling. This is another cashback of 2.5 naira. This is another. Let me show you again. This is another cashback of 2.4 naira. Let me show you again. This. Let me keep scrolling. Let me keep scrolling. So that's for airtime and TV subscription. So let me go back to a lot of things that you can enjoy on Opay app. This is the home page. home page. So you can load airtime on Opay app, you can load data for people, you can pay TV subscription, you can do betting. Those people that are interested into betting stuff, you can do that on Opay. TV subscription, you can pay for subscription, Go TV, Star Times, DSTV, you can pay it for people, and then you get discount to yourself. So this electricity bill for free. Sometimes some people, they will want to pay their prepaid meter and they will charge them 100 naira. Right on this app, you can pay it for free. Like, I don't mean for free, like you make payments, no extra charges added. No extra charges added. So you get a lot of cash back when you do all these things for people or for yourself. So stay tuned so that when I post another video like this, you'll get notified, and stay blessed. Thank you.